How to stop anyone from commenting to your blog without logging in to your website. So how to avoid spam comments. Basically, this is the website. Here is the demo blog. If I scroll down, anyone can leave the message, fill out the name and email, which is not right because spammers will add their message and codes here into your blog and will affect your website. So what you have to do is go to WP admin and under the settings go to discussions. Under the discussions of page, what you have to do is select user must be registered or logged into your comment. So make sure you tick that tick box, and comment author must fill out the name and email. Tick that tick box as well. Also, comment must be manually approved, so you will approve the comment before it goes published. So you can identify if any comments are having spam issues. You can manually disapprove and save your website. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Take care. Bye bye.